Welcome to the Police Officer Certification Overview. This comprehensive program prepares law enforcement professionals to serve and protect their communities with integrity, professionalism, and dedication to public safety. Police officers are the foundation of public safety and law enforcement. Your core responsibilities include enforcing laws and maintaining order, protecting lives and property, investigating crimes and gathering evidence, responding to emergency situations, and engaging with and serving the community through professional law enforcement practices. Certification is issued by the Post Commission, which sets peace officer standards and training requirements. Training includes 600 to 750 hours of academy instruction, meeting physical fitness standards, completing comprehensive background investigations, passing psychological evaluations, and successfully completing the state post-certification exam. Your certification assessment includes 4 critical components: a 200-question written examination, physical fitness testing, psychological evaluation, and firearms qualification. Each component must be successfully completed to achieve certification. The written examination consists of 200 multiple-choice questions completed in 4 hours, requiring a 70% minimum passing score. Physical fitness testing includes standardized timed events on a pass-fail basis, with all components required for certification. Academy training covers 9 essential areas. Criminal law at 25% focuses on legal statutes and constitutional rights. Patrol procedures at 20% covers field operations and response tactics. Firearms training comprises 15%, emphasizing weapon proficiency and safety. Traffic enforcement, report writing, physical training, and emergency response each represent 10%. Cultural diversity and technology skills complete the curriculum at 5% each. Tactical and safety skills include firearms handling and safety, arrest procedures and restraint techniques, self-defense and use of force, vehicle pursuit protocols, and officer safety tactics. Professional skills encompass report writing and documentation, communication and de-escalation, law enforcement ethics and conduct, community policing strategies, and crisis intervention techniques. These 10 core competencies form the foundation of professional law enforcement and will be evaluated during your certification assessment. Let's test your knowledge with a real-world scenario. You initiate a traffic stop after observing a vehicle traveling 20 miles per hour over the posted speed limit. The vehicle pulls over on a busy highway at night. What is the most appropriate first action to take? Your options are: A. Immediately approach the driver's side window with citation in hand. B. Position your patrol vehicle safely and conduct a risk assessment before approaching. C. Call for backup before making any approach to the vehicle. D. Instruct the driver to exit the vehicle immediately for questioning. The correct answer is option B. Position your patrol vehicle safely and conduct a risk assessment before approaching. Officer safety and tactical positioning are always the first priority in any traffic stop scenario. Here's another scenario to test your knowledge. You respond to a domestic disturbance call. Upon arrival, you hear shouting from inside the residence. What is the first action you should take? Your options are: A. Immediately enter the premises to separate the parties. B. Call for backup before approaching the location. C. Assess the situation from a position of safety. D. Detain all individuals present at the scene. The correct answer is option C. Assess the situation from a position of safety. Here's why. Officer safety is paramount. Domestic calls are high-risk situations. Always assess from a safe position before taking action. This principle of officer safety and tactical awareness guides all law enforcement responses. Law enforcement offers 3 primary work environments. Patrol Division provides field-based emergency response and community policing. Detective Bureau focuses on criminal investigations and evidence analysis. Special units conduct specialized operations with tactical response capabilities. Key safety protocols include officer safety tactics, tactical procedures for high-risk situations, and proper equipment handling. Implementation requires adherence to use of force guidelines, comprehensive safety training, and demonstrated proficiency before field deployment. These protocols protect officers and the public. Essential communication competencies include de-escalation techniques, professional report writing, skilled witness interviews, and effective community relations with cultural awareness. These skills build public trust and ensure successful investigations. Ethical principles guide every aspect of police work. Core standards include integrity in all actions, accountability for decisions, constitutional policing practices, appropriate use of force standards, and impartiality in law enforcement. These principles maintain public trust and ensure justice. Success at the Academy requires strategic preparation and consistent practice. Effective study methods will help you master both theoretical knowledge and practical skills. Individual study techniques include creating concise flashcards for laws, codes, and procedures, using active recall by testing yourself regularly on key concepts, and developing a consistent daily study schedule with short breaks. Group study approaches involve forming study groups to discuss complex legal concepts and scenarios, practicing teaching concepts to classmates to solidify understanding, and exchanging tactics and tips with experienced officers or mentors. Practical application strategies encompass creating mock scenarios to practice response techniques and protocols, incorporating physical training with mental exercises for stress response, and recording practice sessions for self-evaluation and improvement. These comprehensive strategies ensure you're prepared for both the academic and practical demands of police academy training. Maintain certification through renewal every 3 years. Requirements include 24 to 48 hours of continuing education, minimum 8 hours of field work, required training in use of force and de-escalation, and documentation of professional development. Summarize the key requirements for police officer certification. Training requires 600 to 750 hours of POST-approved academy training. Certification includes a written exam with 200 questions and a physical fitness test. Work settings include patrol division, detective bureau, and special units. Ethics, professional conduct, and public safety are core responsibilities. Certification renewal is required every 3 years with 24 to 48 continuing education hours. This comprehensive program prepares you for a successful law enforcement career.